All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning the game.
Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make apple banana smoothie. I'm going to use 2 apples for this recipe, bananas, 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of honey. Whisk the apple before use. Make sure you peel neatly. Then you cut into smaller pieces and put it in a bowl. So I'll be putting my apple aside now. I'm going to peel my banana and also cut into smaller pieces. So now my banana is ready. I'm going to be blending now. Place your banana into the blender. Add your apple, your cup of milk, your honey, you cover it and blend it. Make sure you blend very well for it to be very smooth. I don't want any particles remaining. That's why I'm blending it for this long. Now your smoothie is ready. You pour it into a glass. Finally, you garnish it with honey. Now apple banana smoothie is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you all be notified whenever I drop a new video, and leave me a comment. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.